On today's video, I'm going to be showing you a website that will pay you up to $30 per page that you write. The best part is that this website is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can sign up for an account to work on this website for free without paying for anything. They have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see right here, earn money writing essays up to $30 per page. So you are going to be paid up to $30 per every page that you write. So if you are able to write 2 pages, you are going to be earning $60 per day. If you are able to write 3 pages, you are going to be earning $90 per day. So the amount that you earn per day depends on the number of pages that you are able to write, as you can see it right here. One good thing I like about this website is that they have a lot of different benefits that you can enjoy as a writer on this website. You can see right here, they have a flexible schedule. So you are going to be working at your own convenient time. Another benefit that you can also enjoy is timely payments. You are going to be receiving payment twice every month, as you can see it right here. They also have attractive bonuses. So if you are able to do exceptional work, you are going to be paid a bonus as a writer on this website. You can see right here, your information is going to be secured. They are not going to sell it to third parties. Their support team is always available. So anytime you need assistance, you can just click right here, chat with us so that you can tell them what you need so that they will help you out. When you scroll down, you can see the different methods that you can use to receive your payment. You can receive your payment through PayPal. You can receive your payment through Skrill. So any of these payment methods that is convenient to you, you can create an account and then link it with this website. So what you have to do is that just visit this website so that you can read more information about it. The name of the website is proficientwriters.com. So just search for that, proficientwriters.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this so that you can just read more information about this website. So once you read more information and you are okay with everything, just click right here, apply now, so that you can apply for the job. Once you click on apply now, what you have to do is that you have to provide your email, password. You have to repeat your password. You have to select your country right here. So just click on it. You can see different countries right here. So let me just scroll for you to see. You can see it is available worldwide. You can see a whole lot of different countries. So wherever you are located, you are going to just scroll down and then select your country. As you can see, a whole lot of different countries. Once you select your country, you are going to come right here. So in your country, you are going to select the appropriate region that you are. You can see the city, your phone number. You are going to enter that. You are also going to check this box, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you are going to select this box, I agree with terms and conditions, so that you can be accepted onto this website. So once you click on that, you are going to move to the next step. So you are going to provide your personal information and your payment methods. Once that is done, you are also going to select the areas that you want to write about. So once you click on that, you can get access to your free account so that you can be writing on this website to earn money from home. I'm not going to take you through all the sign up process because it will take a lot of time. So make sure you visit the website and then apply for this job. It's very simple and it does not require a lot of skills. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.